I have started with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kindness of our people, the most respectful teacher and student. Assalamu alaikum. I am very grateful to teacher because he gave me a few minutes for speech. Today I want to talk about that ambition group and potential and today youth. We live in a rich country, diverse culture and people. We have faced issues like inequality, social injustice and employment. But despite these generations are built and to life, this will also pass. We are making changes and change to ourselves and leader of tomorrow. As a Pakistani youth and very disrespectful to our parents, he has also forget his name and he are very busy and versatile for mobile and money. And the person we have used the fire for telling mobile and burden, but he are not offering the prayer and but he are not offering the prayer 5 times in a day. He is also very busy. Firstly, and we have set up and the changes and which make a unique. Firstly, we our nation or determination, the values of the rules of health the youth and we nation our resilience of the person we have life a personal way to live to youth and itself. Youth generation is a very lazy and it's not working. And the Pakistani youth we have responsibility to ourselves and our community and this us with the youth. Your talent we use and our skill we use and our passion and what to impact. Let us be one we need to see them and it's what we need. And the last of the speech I have shared a few days of poetry. कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया मुझे, कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया मुझे, वो कुछ मैं कुछ न जानता था सब कुछ सिखाया मुझे, पहुंचा दिया पलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, पहुंचा दिया पलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, वाकिफ न था जरा भी इतने बड़े जहाँ से। थैंक यू।